Welcome back to New Garden Road, where I share my love of gardening with you in a way that I hope will inform, inspire, and elevate you. Check it out, I'm working on this garden project. I am super excited. I am completely renovating one section of raised bed that I constructed about 7 years ago. I've got about 2 yards of good soil there. I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna fill up 3 raised beds from this nice looking cedar that I got a while back. It's gonna be 3 4x8 square foot beds. I'm gonna plant my artichoke, my asparagus, a bunch of herbs, and I'm gonna make a little butterfly garden. So what I've done is I've got the placement of the beds where I want it, and now I'm gonna go back with my stirrup hoe. All right, I don't know if you've ever used a stirrup hoe. You're gonna use your upper body strength and just go back and forth like that. It's gonna break the roots up. So after I do this, I'm gonna take my rake and I'm gonna remove all these grassy bits and weeds, clean it up a little bit, and then I'm gonna till and fill. I don't want it to be a hard transition zone between all that nice soil I'm gonna fill it up with and the subsoil. I'll till it up and I'll amend it, mix in the soil as I fill it. I pulled the bed frames back so I could get in there more safely and easily, and I've tilled under all 3 of these beds. And now I'm gonna put the bed frames back in place so that I can start working the soil. When I put those bed frames back in place, I'm gonna take some measurements, make sure I got things squared up, got them lined up with the rest of the garden, and then we'll be on our way to filling them up. I've worked most of the way through this project. I've tilled below the soil level to incorporate some of the native soil with the raised bed soil that I'm going to be adding in. I've got the beds in place, I've got them spaced out the way I like them, and I've got a couple of them filled up and a little bit planted. I've moved my artichoke and some herbs already. I'm going to wait on the asparagus. That's going to take me a little bit more time, so check back later. We're going to have an update on the asparagus, transplanting the asparagus. First time I've done it. Going to be a challenge, but I'm looking forward to it. Okay, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it gave you some tips, maybe some ideas, maybe some inspiration. Inform, inspire, elevate. That's what I'm all about. If you like what you see and you want to see more of it, please subscribe to my page. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned some tips. And I hope you are hearing the cat fight in the background. Out of all things to disrupt the video.